Legumes are small but mighty when it comes to nutrition. Packed with plant-based protein, they help fuel your body and keep your muscles strong. Rich in fiber, legumes also support healthy digestion and keep you feeling fuller longer. But that's not all. Legumes are great for heart health, helping to lower cholesterol and regulate blood sugar levels. Whether it's beans, lentils, or peas, adding legumes to your meals is an easy and affordable way to boost your health, protect your heart. Legumes, simple, powerful, and essential for a healthier you.